All right, you guys, if you're looking for the perfect home in Tempe that's 15 minutes away from ASU, or if you're just looking for a rental property that you can have with your buddies, this is going to be the house for you. Welcome to our newest listing. We're at 2337 E Riviera Drive. We have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a pool, and we're priced at $540,000. This is going to be a perfect starter home if you're looking to be here and actually raise a couple of kids, or if you're actually looking to be close to ASU. You're 15 minutes away from food, fun, shopping, dining. You're minutes away from a couple of golf courses out here if you actually like to hit the ball, every now and then. And you also have amazing freeway access to the 60 and the 101. So if you need to get to Chandler, Gilbert, Phoenix, Mesa, anywhere in Tempe, this is going to be the home for you. Now, enough about that. Follow me on the inside. Come on. All right, you guys, welcome to the inside. Like we said before, we are in a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, just shy of 1,900 square feet with a pool. But as soon as you walk in here, you can use this as an additional living room. You can use it as a nice another seating area. I've seen some people in other models that are close by actually do it with like a game room and just have it for some entertainment for your actual guests. But we'll follow you this way. Take you to the most exciting part of the property, which is going to be the kitchen and second living room. So you can see some of the upgrades that we've done here. We have quartz countertops, waterfall edge, which looked out really, really beautiful. And then we have our stainless steel here. These are all upgraded appliances. We carried the quartz all the way up to the bottom of the cabinets. We have a beautiful, nice farmhouse sink here. We have all the black fixtures that everybody absolutely loves. And then over here, we still have plenty of space to put, some dining. We can put your couch right here. We still have a wood fire burning place, guys. So you see a lot of these older properties. We still have these that are actually real, and you can actually use them. It's too hot in Arizona, so most people don't even use them. They're actually just used for show at this point in time. But this is actually a really nice feature. Gives a lot of character to the actual home itself. But follow me this way. We'll go to the bedrooms, and we'll show you the master as well. So down here you have the main hallway. We have your guest bedroom 1 here. Really good size. You can definitely fit a nice queen size bed, couple of nightstands on this one. And then we'll go to the guest bathroom. Some updates were actually done here as well. The new vanities were actually done, so these are brand new. We have continued the quartz countertops. We have new mirrors, new light fixtures, and we continued the black fixtures here as well for your plumbing, and it came out really beautiful. We have a shower tub combo here. This is actually really nice, so we always make sure there's always going to be some type of tub in case you have family, in case you have babies. You want to make sure you can actually take a bath, here as well. We do know a lot of men and women that love to take baths too. My wife loves to take baths. I'm not a bath guy, but maybe you are. Here we have another one of the guest bedrooms. Again, a good size. They're all about your 12 by 13 size bedrooms in here. And then we have your third guest bedroom over here. This one's gonna give you a little bit more space. A lot of natural light that's coming in here as well. And then we have our master on this side. So these are gonna be the biggest rooms. We do have a walk-in closet right here. Good old-fashioned click light there. And then we also have some upgrades done to the bathroom as well. So we continue the new vanities. We have the quartz countertops, black fixtures again, beautiful mirror here as well. And then we have your stand-up shower here for you. So in addition to that, this property has done the upgraded flooring. We have upgraded baseboards. We have the upgraded paint all the way throughout. You have blinds in every single room. But follow me outside because we're going to show you the pool. But before we go and show you the pool, I want to show you one of the most unique parts of this home. I call this the flex space, which you can use this as an additional game room. I've seen somebody actually set up kind of as like a library. People love to come in here and actually play pool. And this is a nice place where you can actually hang out before you actually go and enjoy yourself in the 100-degree weather in Arizona. Now guys, if you know that you're here in Arizona, you get 100-degree heat. Not only 100-degree, you get 110-degree heat. But here we have a beautiful, nice pool here. It's got a Pebble Tec. We have the lights coming out through here. So you can actually come out here with your friends, your family. You can have a barbecue, have a wonderful night. The neighbors here are awesome. They love to hang out with you guys as well and actually play music. This is a really wonderful community. This is a really wonderful home. But if you're looking to actually have and enjoy some food, fun, and entertainment, this is definitely gonna be the home for you as far as the location, located near Tempe. If you guys need anything or have any questions about this property, feel free to reach out to me in the information in the description below, and we can't wait to see you on the next home. Take care, guys.